What's going on? So we at the Charles River. About to go canoeing with the family. Get away, it's growing. So yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. Hopefully we could canoe. But this Charles River runs all the way to the Boston Harbor and out to the water, to the open sea. We're on a canoe now. It's a boat. It's fun. God. Wait, I'm going back. I'm going back. We're under the bridge. Alright, stop. I'm about to bust you again. Yeah, gotta turn it slowly, Mila. Stay still. Sorry. Still early. Yeah, it's not that bad. That's what I'm saying. It's fine. Sorry, y'all.
I'm touching pea water. I'm touching pea water.
It's Charles River, baby. Oh, stay still.